Hey there, welcome back to Cloud with Previn. I am Previn, and today we are diving into something super cool. I'll be teaching you how Amazon Athena works to analyze the data in the cloud. I've therefore built a 3D AWS architecture to help me guide you through every step. So stick with me, it's going to be fun and easy to follow. If you are new to AWS, you're just curious about how data flows in the cloud, this is for you. So let's jump in. Now imagine your company has loads of data. The data, it can be sales numbers, website activity, readings from smart sensors. So right now, all this data is sitting on your local computers or servers. This is where our data journey begins. Instead of keeping it locked away in a server room, we are moving it to the cloud. Our first stop is Amazon S3. Think of S3 as a huge, super secure online storage system. It is designed to store unlimited amounts of data. It makes data easy to access whenever you need it, anywhere in the world. So whether it's files, logs, images, S3 can handle all that safely and reliably. By the way, I'll leave link in the description to AWS documentation in case you need to read about all the services that I'm going to read more about all the services that I'm going to mention in this video. Okay, so right now our data is just sitting there in AWS S3. It's unsorted. It needs to be organized before you can do anything cool with it. So this is where our next step comes in. We have an AWS crawler. A crawler is a smart little tool that scans the data in S3. So its job is to figure out what's inside. Are these sales numbers? Are they customer names? Are they dates? So once a crawler does its magic, it sends all this info to AWS Glue. Then Glue is like the brainy organizer of our data. It creates a catalog, kind of like a table of contents. So it organizes. Then now we can know exactly what's in our S3 bucket and how it is structured. Alright, now a quick recap. Our data is moved into S3. AWS Glue stepped in to catalog and organize it, sort of making sense of all those raw files. Now it's time to get the data back. So for that job, we have Athena. Amazon Athena lets you run SQL queries directly on your data in S3. It's just like you'll do. It's just like you'll do with a regular database, but here there's no database to manage, so it's serverless. Athena lets you read the table info from Glue. It goes into your data in S3 and gives you answers like uh, show me all the sales from June, and it's serverless. There is nothing to set up. You just write your query and get result. It's that simple. Now that we understand this whole process, what if you want to make things more seamless and more smoother? Like maybe you have an app or a dashboard that wants these queries on demand. Now that's where Amazon API Gateway and Lambda comes in. API Gateway acts as an entry point, so when a user sends a request, the Lambda picks it up, then it builds the right SQL query behind the scenes and it sends it off to Athena. No manual steps, just clean automated data retrieval. All this is serverless. Then it tells the Athena to run the query. It pulls the answers from the S3, it sends them back, whether to the dashboard or to API or to your report. You get insights you need fast and easy, all in the cloud. Now let's have a quick recap of the entire journey. You had your data in your servers in your office. You took your data to AWS. You stored the data in S3. it gets organized by crawler and queue, it gets queried by Athena, and it gets automated with Lambda and API gateway. It's a complete pipeline, it's serverless, it's scalable. Thank you for exploring cloud with me on Cloud with Previn. If you liked this, smash that like button, hit subscribe, share the video, and drop a comment below with the cloud topic that you want me to cover next. See you in the next video. Cheers.